pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope you will stay, take a chance on this channel, hear about some of the things that I like, and hopefully I do a lot of reviews and a lot of eyeshadow looks that you can get some useful information from me. I love sharing. So I have my second PR box from Baseblue. I've already opened it up. It was beautiful and had these feather-like things in there. And they are actually supporting a nonprofit right now, and they're coming out with a new product. Baseblue has soaps. They have which are really cute. Sometimes you get them in little different like flower shapes and cupcakes and all that stuff. They have sponges, they have beauty tools, and they're coming out with their very first ever lip gloss. And let me tell you what has inspired this. They got this sheet in here that I read, and I'll tell you what, I was like in tears by the end of it. It says here, this collection is going to be available on Mother's Day. It is inspired by mothers and mothers-to-be all over the world. The products are designed in the shape of a motherly angel pouring love from her soul, protecting her precious child-to-be. According to Resolve, the National Fertility Association, cost is the key barrier to both adoption and medical infertility treatment, as 75% of private insurance policies will not cover IVF treatments. In addition, infertility is much more than just a medical condition. For many, a diagnosis of infertility can be one of isolation and despair. Basically, this is saying that they have developed a product for moms that have the hope to become pregnant with their child through IVF treatments, and they are donating, I believe it's 10% of all the proceeds from the sale of this collection is going to benefit Fertility Within Reach. It's a not-for-profit organization whose mission is to increase access to health benefits for fertility treatment and preservation. You know that a lot go through financial stress because it's so costly to have a child, and some of us want that more than anything in the world. So that is why I said that there may be like a trigger warning in the thumbnail, and just letting you know, because this is a very sensitive subject. They're coming out with 4 colors of a liquid lipstick. I can't wait to show you this. It's gorgeous. And the names of them are Hope, Unbreakable Bond, Serenity, and Devotion. Okay, they tell us the ingredients on here, and this is the packaging. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me see if they tell me what the price is. I'm pretty sure I can find that out and put that on the screen for you. But this is going to be their Mother's Day launch, and I can't wait to. Which one did I get? I got Serenity, number 3. They're all neutral. I'm just excited to see they're finally coming out with cosmetics more than tools. You know, look at this. Oh my gosh, I just want to say a prayer for all of you out there that are trying to get pregnant, and I just pray that God touches your family and you get your heart's desire. I really do. Maybe not all of you believe in God. I do. That's a personal choice. You know, you have your own choice. I respect that 100%. But look at this. Many consider babies angels, you know, from heaven, and this is just absolutely stunning. I will do a close-up of it for you. I'm going to swatch this. I'm also, that's why I didn't put on any lipstick. I'm also going to see if I've got a lip liner to maybe go with it, and we're going to try it on. Okay, so this is their very first liquid lip. It seems like it is drying down. Now the color seems more of a warm tone, and I'm not really a warm, so this might not be my shade. But I'm going to go ahead and show you this here. That is what it looks like. It's definitely very pretty. It's a little more orangey than what I thought. So it may not look good on me, but we're going to try it on the lips. And again, swatching on the hand is not always the same as the lips, so we're going to try it. And I think what I'm going to do is just use a lip liner that is a nude and go for it. I went in with the Real Her lip liner that I haven't used yet, and I am confident. And we're going to go ahead and apply this liquid lip and see how she wears. It's still drying down on my hand. It is very different for me. Okay. Actually, it's not that bad. I was thinking I was going to have to put a cool tone liner with it, but I'm kind of impressed. I wasn't sure I was going to have a good review, but this is super creamy and applies on the lips. And my lips were a little bit dry, and they're not anymore. Wow, they've got a very different formula. It's not sticky. It's a really pretty color. Definitely matches my eye look, and I did not plan that. Not at all. Wow, Baseblue. Congratulations on your launch. Guys, if you have any questions about this at all whatsoever, put them in the comments below. I'm going to put the pricing on the screen for you as long as it's available, and I'm sure it is. These come in 4 shades: Hope, Unbreakable Bond, Serenity, and Devotion. I have Serenity, and Serenity is beautiful. I am like in love with this. I will have to update you guys to let you know how it wears, but I put it on dry lips, and I literally cannot believe that my lips don't look dry anymore. Do you see that? That's crazy. Wow. I'm impressed. Look at how it looks on the hand. Now, mind you, I did put it on, and then I put a lip liner on, and I was mixing it with the lip liner, but I was totally expecting this to turn orange, and it actually looks really, really good. So I'm excited about that. Like this color. I may even be able to use this without a lip liner, and it's creamy, but it's not real wet. I've used a lot of lip glosses lately that were really wet and took a while to dry down. This is super creamy, but it's not like, it's not getting on my teeth. It's not like running down. It's just, I don't think you can apply too much. It's the way that the wand works. And you do a little bit at a time, but a little definitely goes a long way. And it's not too, it's like putting silk on your lips. I'm super impressed. If you guys saw my review, I liked Jaclyn Hill's liquid lips. The colors were not for me, but they took a really long, and I hate to compare it to that, but this is, you know, I want you guys to know, it took a really long time to dry down. And you could still see my dry lips. This, no. Totally different. So this is their first product they came out with. This is what it looks like. It's benefiting those that need fertility treatments in order to have a baby, which is an amazing cause. So all in all, I just want to thank Baseblue for sending this to me. I mean, I actually get to be part of a new launch by reviewing this lipstick. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be honest, I was like, oh God, it's going to be orange. I'm not going to be able to do this. But it's amazing. And I hope to continue to get PR from Baseblue. I'm definitely going to have to order the other colors and try them out. And when I do, I will make another video for you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope that you got something out of it, a new product, a new launch for Mother's Day. For those of you that are wanting to have children, I am just praying that you get your blessing and your heart's desire. And I just love you guys so much. I just don't want to put this down. Thank you again for being here for this video. I'm super shocked. I definitely recommend this. And I'll see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!